Is switching between the two modes really that smooth? Just swipe 4 fingers sideways and it instantly jumps into PC mode. Do the same gesture again and it switches right back to tablet mode. Super simple. Hey everyone. Huawei has just unveiled its newest 2-in-1 device, and what I'm holding here is the brand new Huawei MatePad Edge that just arrived. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's open it up and check it out. This is the main tablet body. Aside from the Huawei logo on the back, you'll notice a dedicated ventilation channel for heat dissipation, which is a pretty clever design choice. The slimming waistline look gives it a refined feel, and the entire build is metal, so it feels premium right away. Down here are 3 contact pins, likely used to connect the stand and keyboard. The bottom section is well thought out too. It acts as the stand, and that area also doubles as an extra heat dissipation zone. Even with the built-in stand, the device remains surprisingly thin and feels great to hold. Up front, you get a massive 14.2-inch display, big for a tablet and big even for a laptop. Flip it around and you'll see the integrated kickstand, which makes propping it up incredibly easy. Just set it down, adjust the angle, and you're good to go. All right, activation is done. Let's put the tablet aside for a moment and take a look at the keyboard. Down here is the keyboard unit, and it feels really well made. It has a metal frame with vegan leather on the back, giving it a premium touch. There's also a classic slot for storing the stylus, and it doesn't interfere with opening or closing the cover. Let's snap everything together. The tablet connects magnetically, and once attached, it pairs almost instantly. Just a quick flash, and it's connected. The M Pencil Pro also syncs right away. One thing to keep in mind, when assembling, use both hands so you don't accidentally apply pressure and cause damage. It's definitely worth reading the setup tips before using it for the first time. After connecting, you'll see an introduction to the M Pencil Pro. We've covered it in a previous video, but just to recap, you can pinch the body, double tap, and there's even a smart button at the end. Overall, very practical features. Now let's talk about the 3 modes of this HarmonyOS 2-in-1. Yes, it's a 2-in-1 device, but it actually offers 3 forms of use. First, when you use it on its own, it becomes a huge 14.2-inch tablet, great for drawing, light office work, or watching content. The size gives you a super immersive viewing experience, and if you want to stand it upright, the included kickstand makes it simple and stable. The third form is laptop mode. Once you attach the keyboard, the floating design kicks in. The hinge and feet are tuned perfectly, letting you adjust the angle freely and keep it suspended exactly where you want it. No matter how you sit, it stays comfortable to use. Even the keyboard's charging port is thoughtfully hidden along the side, just like the ports you'd find on regular HarmonyOS laptops, so it feels instantly familiar. The MatePad Edge's 14.2-inch display has extremely slim bezels, only 4.1 millimeters, reaching an incredible 94% screen-to-body ratio. It genuinely feels like you're looking at pure screen, with almost no border. Another nice touch, you're not limited to the floating keyboard. You can detach it and use the tablet in stand mode while typing on a separate portable keyboard. For example, you can set the screen farther away and still work comfortably, which is great for different setups and environments. And of course, as expected from Huawei, the interaction experience gets a big upgrade this time. The biggest standout for me is how seamless it is to switch between HarmonyOS PC mode and tablet mode. Just swipe 4 fingers horizontally and it becomes a full PC interface, complete with a familiar taskbar that's easy to operate. Swipe 4 fingers again and you're right back in tablet mode where everything follows the standard tablet UI logic. This 4-finger mode switching is honestly super smooth. Look, when I want to jump into PC mode, a quick swipe and it's instantly there. Besides the 4-finger gesture, Huawei also gives you 2 more ways to switch modes. For example, you can press the shortcut Control HarmonyOS key, then swipe left to go back to tablet mode. That's really handy if you'd rather avoid touching the screen. And if you prefer tapping options instead, there's also a PC mode toggle in the control center. Just press it and you're back in PC mode. Still, I feel like the 4-finger swipe is the most natural and quickest method. In PC mode, you get access to common drawing apps and office software, and even more advanced tools like ZuaCAD. When you're using the device in screen computer mode, it supports all the big screen apps we use regularly. The HarmonyOS app ecosystem has grown massively, and in this mode, it can even run certain PC-level programs. For example, PC-grade WPS works perfectly here for everyday office tasks. Then with another four-finger swipe, it transforms back into a full computer workflow. If you're dealing with heavier workloads or need extra performance, that PC mode is clearly the better choice. It's amazing to have proper computer-style interaction while still being able to enjoy light entertainment and quick tasks in tablet mode, all on one device. I think this seamless dual experience is something only a HarmonyOS 2-in-1 screen computer can truly deliver. A lot of people are probably curious about the keyboard, and honestly, so was I. Let's start with its angle adjustment. This floating keyboard can sit at around 90 degrees, and it can also open up nearly flat from about 90 to almost 180 degrees. So no matter how you like to work, you can find a comfortable setup. Typing on it feels great too. The keys have a long 1.8 millimeter travel, which is impressive for such a slim device, and the feedback feels really satisfying. The touchpad is just as smooth, following the same gesture logic as other HarmonyOS laptops, so if you're already used to those, you'll feel right at home and probably won't want to go back. Beyond the design, interaction, and accessories, Huawei also boosted the performance on this 2-in-1. Earlier, we talked about the cooling waistline design, which doesn't just look good, it helps with airflow. At the bottom, you can see the vents, and through them, you can faintly make out the dual fan setup. For high-performance use, this dual fan design definitely helps keep the system running efficiently. After spending some time with it, my first impression of this HarmonyOS 2-in-1 is that it's incredibly versatile. You can quickly switch to tablet mode for entertainment or light office tasks, and when you need more power, typing, writing, video editing, even CAD, it easily handles it in computer mode. So that wraps up our unboxing and first look at the Huawei MatePad Edge, Huawei's new HarmonyOS 2-in-1 tablet. Being able to deliver both a tablet experience and a full HarmonyOS computer experience on the same device is genuinely impressive. We'll dig deeper into its performance and features soon, so stay tuned for the full review.